Let's check out this photo album by Artfeel. It has a black linen cover, which suits my aesthetic very nicely, and 40 generously sized self-adhesive pages covered by film. I'm using 4x6 photo prints today. This is the time I wore that cardboard suit of armor and went on a crazy rampage. Good times, good times. The film goes down pretty easily. I can orient my 4x6s both vertically or horizontally or both on a single page. The included tool helps me smooth down the film. Here's 2 vertical 4x6s. Some studio time, and that time I frowned at a bunch of grapes. So it's easy to stick them down, and I get better results when I use the tool. I could use my hands, it does okay, but I think this is better. Now, is it repositionable? Does it stick so hard that I can't get the photos back up again? Let's try. Now that was very easy to reposition them. I kind of design as I go and move things around, so this works well for me. This album also included a marker for captions, and I could write directly on the pages, but I like to keep my captions movable, so I keep them separate. The size is great, I feel confident about the quality, and let's take a look at the way that the pages attach. That portion of the page is a plastic film, which does feel like a much better choice than having paper bend back and forth. I like what I have here. This is a pretty good photo album for me, and I hope I helped you make your decision too.